Ngangifunda
Forest.
Ngangifunda New Forest Woodlands.
Oh, usipha. Usipha lo wami.
Ha, sekowakho uthatha ithishu. Awu.
Kanti angidefenda phela umuntu wami, umuntu mayidefenda usuke ekuthanda. Umuntu okudefendayo nomuntu always there for you.
True love.
That's your true love. Yeah.
Sipha, bazoyiveza boy izinto.
Bazoyiveza
Data. Do you also earn from TikTok? Yes, I do earn from TikTok.
That's why I think please like the videos, even though that's...
So on TikTok, we usually get campaigns to promote songs. So when I ask you guys to like some type of videos or certain videos, it's because I'm promoting that song. And that's how I earn.
Like, even though you
can also earn.
Don't like the videos.
Yeah, you can also earn. It's there by the work with artist thing. Yeah, you can also just join there and do your thing. But I think you have to have like 1K followers or
to like
10K.
To do what?
To be able to join that promoting thing. Campaigns thing.
What are you talking about? Promoting thing?
Like TikTok. Because uthola imali kumele ube na-followers certain uma uthola ama-followers lo hayi angazi ngoba ngikhuluma isigisi
like you don't know what you're talking about. Okay, isiZulu
yeah, ukuze uthole imali la TikTok kumele una-followers lapho 10K noma ngani.
Like even me, like if I want to earn something, I have to have 10,000 followers.
I think 10K noma 1K. Yeah,
10,000. Like how do you reach 10K?
Uyakhuluma isiZulu yantombazane ngakhulu yo. Ngakhulu
isiZulu wena ntombazane ngokhulu yo. Why are you saying that shit?
Live. Guys, ngicela ngipha 10K likes kule live. Please just tap the screen. Shemu Akongwa. He's doing everything. Thank you so much. You're liking the live. You're sending gift. Wena. You're too nice. You're beautiful just like your mom. Ukhoto. Mohale.
You are beautiful just like your mom. Is this also this we know? You Daniel Sonoma water.
Okay.
Ngathi
ngingakuthatha ngikuhlalise kowakho umhlaba ngoba unomona awukufanele. Xa into enjengami izinhlanje wena gift. Sima lesiphuma manje kodwa ulive yabo. Sebeyalala 47. Yeah.
Oh, susho kanje ngoba
cha ngizophuma sina 10K likes lapha. Guys, please tap the screen for 10K likes then. So we're saying rights. Nila eThekwini. How akhona ukhuluma isiZulu? Yes, like eThekwini.
And I'm taking out.
I'm talking. And I'm talking out.
Talking.
Vezan imomozi negqe.
What the fuck? Block.
Kanjani la ku live?
Block. Sunwenje.
Hawu. Sengimblokile.
Shwela amasimba lo.
Into ayishoyo kodwa naye.
Sizingquzo.
Hawu, phela mususinhlamba.
Ayene, hayibo. Indaba shwela. Mina ngifuna umuntu angijwayela mina. Mina umuntu angijwayele mina kamina. So nimumuzi mina.
Cha kodwa naye wazwabheda siphile.
Into ayishoyo.
Hayi. Kodwa naye ke sesophuma sasilindwe siphume ke mase uyabhodla into zakhe ebhiceleni. Hey, do you want to teach me your language? Yes, you can ask any question. If you want to say hi. So if you get to 10K likes, it's a goodbye from us. Hey mama, can I